guys, happy Sunday. So I know it's been a long time since I've posted a YouTube video, but I just wanted to show you guys how to clean the inside of your washing machines if it kind of starts to smell like a sewer. Anyways, so this is the front facing washing machine, front loader. So basically we have to clean the inside of this to get rid of all the residue and all the gunk. We also have to clean the glass and the insides of these on both the washing machine and dryer. There's another flap that opens here, and as you can see, there's water that just leaked. You take out this tube and it drains some water with some gunk and residue. You take out this piece here, which I have done right there, and then we're gonna spray it with a 50-50 solution of, as I was saying, 50% dishwashing soap and 50% white vinegar mixture, and then you gotta let that subside, and then when we spray it, it's gonna get rid of that stinky smell. Another solution is 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of baking soda, and 2 cups of vinegar to do the hot tub clean. We're gonna let that mix in. Don't forget, we're also going to need one of our handy dandy microfiber cloths. Don't forget to lift up the flaps to get in between there. You also want to spray. That's so funny. Anyways, you also want to spray these little things in here and make sure that they're completely dried out, because if they're kind of damp and moist, they're going to create moisture and it's going to be stinky, and we don't want that. As you can see, it's very important to take this portion out, because you can see that there's a lot of gunk, scum, and some dirt in there, along with some residue from the soaps and the detergents and the bleach and what so have you. So we're going to spray that solution and make sure that we clean it thoroughly and make sure that it's completely dry before putting it back in. So after all that cleaning is done, make sure to leave the doors open on both sides as you have cleaned it, and let it kind of air out for a while. And then you will do this every time. Not every time, but for this little guy, they said you gotta do this once a month. But for tub cleaning, I mean, like cleaning the glass, cleaning this inside portion, and cleaning this area here, and cleaning this area here is a thing that you gotta do every time you like do the washing, because if you don't, then it's just gonna keep stinking. So we got our 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of baking soda, and 2 cups of vinegar in there. This process is called our tub clean. Oops. Okay. Make sure, oh, sorry. So you could either use tub clean or you can use the normal function, and then you just got to ensure that you're at the very hottest of the hot temperature and let that run through. But since we will use the tub clean function, I will go ahead and press start. tub clean now complete. And then we gotta make sure that we wipe off this water. Now it's smelling super fresh and super clean in there. Don't forget to wipe this part as well. We're being super clean. Okay, we are all done. Make sure that you guys leave the door open and this door open as well on both of the machines as you have cleaned it now, and ensure that you let it air out for a while. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and give me a thumbs up. Oh, give me a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next YouTube video. Bye!